Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use Uber Eats promo code. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply open your Uber Eats app, and once you open it, you need to get signed in into your account. So now you can select anything you want to order, or you can simply tap on the cart-like icon on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you tap it, tap on view basket. After this, you will end up in this kind of interface, so simply tap on the continue option. After doing this, you will end up in this interface where you need to type in your payment option. So once you have selected your payment option, simply scroll down below and you can find an option called promotions applied. So simply tap on it and you can simply enter your promo code right in the enter promo code section. So once you have typed in your promo code there, you will be able to use your promo code that you have available right now. So once you have applied your promo code, simply tap on the next option. So in this way, you can use your promo code in Uber Eats. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.